got a pair of my socks. Hi. Hi. Can I have those? Can I have those? Can I have these? Can I have these? These? This one? This one right here? No? Ow! That was my hand, you poop. That was my hand, you poop. Oop! Fall down. Who's fall down? Oh, ow. The socks are dead. So is my hand. Now the Jaguar drags his kill up into the tree so he can kill it some more. You know. I'm sorry.